Welcome back to another video, guys. An unboxing video to be exact. This is this is an Amazon package which I received today, and as you can see, I've already opened it, and let's see. Guys, this is a Casio FX-82MS second edition and two-line display, some shit. This is one of the cheapest scientific calculator you can find out there on Amazon, and I ordered it, and here it is, guys. As you can see, let's unbox it and see what they have to offer. And for the pricing, this is for 530 rupees, and let's see what we get for 530 rupees. And in the box you get a kind of warranty card or some shit. As you can see, who cares, let's throw that. Who will claim warranty for 500 rupees, man? As you can see, this comes in a nice bubble wrap. Let's inside the bubble wrap we get the calculator itself. So I'm not sure if I can open and show you guys with one hands, so I have to pause the video. And guys, as you can see, this unit comes with, it was already on, I think, and it consumes like 0.0001 watts on while, I'm not sure, while using or on standby. It uses 1.5 volt cell, and it was already on, so let's test it. Well guys, don't get your hopes so high, because I'm not an expert when it comes to calculator. So let's try 2 times 2. Oh, nice. At least the addition part is working. So that is it, guys. That is it for Casio FX-82MS, whatever the fuck that is. So that is it, guys. As I told you, I'm not an expert when it comes to reviewing calculators. In fact, I'm buying it for the first time in my entire life. I mean, everybody buys it for their first time. I mean, who buys this kind of stuff? And it comes with a user manual. On how to use, but we are not going to read it anyway. We'll search it on YouTube. Let's throw that away, this box. Let's throw everything away, and let's just focus on the calculator itself. Well, this video is kind of getting boring, so I'll wrap things up quickly as soon as possible. So, why order a scientific calculator, you might ask? Because as a CSE student, we have one subject which is electrical engineering on some shit like that. Out of that, we just have we had a mid-sem exam in which just scored 4 or 5. I think 3 or 4 out of 20, and I noticed that there were few questions which you can easily score 5 marks, and where you can score 5 marks, but I didn't know how to solve them. And the worst part about it, that it requires scientific calculator or a mind with a god level of calculation power. Like, you have to be very super nerd in order to solve that. Unfortunately, I am not any of them. So so I thought, why not order one and play with it for few days, and let's see what happens. So in fact, I'm going to use it anyway. I might need, even after, like when we finish CSE or whatever that is, because when it comes to mathematics, I'm kind of dyslexic. I don't even know how to I don't even know how to add 2-digit numbers mentally, so I might need it in the future. Like for example, when you travel in taxi, and that taxi wala says, "Bhaiya, 25 rupees हुए," and you give him 100 rupees note, and he gives you some random notes. You calculate it and you put it in your pocket, and if you know what I mean. So I'm kind of mathematics dyslexic, so this might help me in future. Not help me, but if you know what I mean. 500 rupees for a 5 marks question, out of which I can get like 2 marks or something. Not a bad idea, not a bad deal at all.